vlogging with Taco here. Go check out my main channel, Mr. Jocko Space Taco. So we're going to be doing a vlog, a basketball challenge, me versus Jack. Here we go.
Also, we're playing in the rain, so it's going to be super hard.
And it's so slippery. See, look.
Alright, let's check it. Let's see who wins.
Are your thumbs?
Alright, 3-2. Out of bounds. Shot. And he makes it 4-2. Hurry up, pitch up. You need to attack. Yeah. Alright, 4-2. six.
Let's go 11.
Bro,
10.
let's do next point wins. I'm so tired.
10. Let's just go 7. 7.
Alright, good. Oh, it's gonna be standard. So, oh,
6.
five,
I see one more point. I win. 7.
7.
I'm at 6. Actually, no, I need 2 more.
2 more.
Come on.
You know,
One more. Hey! Now bring this home. Bring home. No! Are you kidding me?
I can look this up. Also,
Hey! Bring home.
can't do it.
Can't do it either. Can't do it. Can't do it. Oh my tips. Can't do this. Oh! 5 steps. If I make this, I win.
Go for that.
Yeah, for good luck. Dan, for good luck.
Oh! 6-6. Next point wins. Wins.
Yes! He's playing 4D on me. But I'm not gonna come up. Oh, look at this.
With the face.
Out of bounds. No, I kept it in.
Are you okay?
Rely on the races here. You're tiny. Whoa! Game.
Oh, game. I'm gonna have a heart attack here. Oh. That was the game, GG. Yo, get over here.
Thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you all next time.
Choco Choco.